Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this sunflower. It is very easy. I'm going to show you step by step on how to crochet. There are 10 petals for the sunflowers, and this is how it looks like from the front, the side, and also the back. Okay, so you need two colors yarns, of course, the brown and the yellow. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a worsted weight yarn or medium weight yarn number 4 and 4mm crochet hook. But of course, you can use any weight yarn that you prefer and crochet hook that's recommended by the yarn in the yarn label. So first, we're going to do this part right here. Okay, so grab your brown yarn. You're going to make a magic loop. Okay, so once you make your magic loop, now we're going to start round 1. We're going to start with chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as stitch count. So now we're going to make 10 single crochet in this loop right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so after you chain 10, now we're going to close the hole at the middle by pulling this tail. Okay, so now we're going to slip stitch in the first single crochet right here. Okay, so done with round 1. Now we're going to do round 2. Start with chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as stitch count. Now we're going to make 2 single crochet in every stitch. Okay, the first single crochet is in the same stitch where we did the slip stitch right here. Okay, so 2 single crochet in the first stitch. 1, 2. 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2. Okay, so go ahead and finish up round 2. You're going to make 2 single crochet in every stitch. Okay, so once you're done round 2, go ahead and slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch right here. Okay, so for round 2, you should have total of 20 stitches around, 20. Okay, so now we're going to start round 3. We're going to start with chain 1. And for round 3, we're going to make 20 single crochet stitch around. So basically, we're going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so once you're done round 3, you made 20 single crochet stitch around. Now go ahead and slip stitch in the first stitch right here. So far, this is how it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to start round 4. We're going to start with chain 1 and we're going to slip stitch in every stitch. Okay, so we're going to start the first slip stitch at the second stitch. We're going to skip the first stitch and we're going to start the slip stitch right here, second stitch. Okay, just slip stitch in every stitch. Okay, so once you crochet all the way to the last stitch, we're going to slip stitch at the first slip stitch we made right here. Okay, chain 1 to secure stitches, and we're going to cut the yarn. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to do the petals. Now you're going to grab your yellow yarn, make a slip knot. Now we're going to start any one of these slip stitches. Really doesn't matter, but I like to start where I finished the previous round. So I'm going to start right here. This is the first slip stitch. Okay, and you're going to bring the loop through the stitch like so. So for each petal make we're going to start with chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch, 1 double crochet, and 1 half double crochet. I'm going to put the pattern for the petal at the screen right here, so it's easy for you to follow. Okay, so each petal we're going to start with chain 1. So each petal we're going to do all in the same stitch. Okay, start with chain 1. Okay, now we're going to do 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Okay, so now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. After you chain 2, now we're going to slip stitch right here at the first double crochet and through the second double crochet. Slip stitch to create the pointy part of the sunflower, this part. Okay, so next we're going to make 1 double crochet, lastly we're going to make 1 half double crochet, all in the same stitch. Okay, so we're done with the first petal. Now we're going to do the second petal. We're going to skip the next stitch and we're going to start at the following stitch. Now we're going to slip stitch at the stitch right here. We skip 1 stitch and we start at the next following stitch. Okay, so slip stitch, and we're going to repeat the same pattern right here. Chain 1, we're going to make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch from the first double crochet through the second double crochet to create the point part right here. Now we're going to make 1 double crochet, and lastly 1 half double crochet, all in the same stitch. Okay, so we're done with the second petal. Now for the next petal we're going to skip 1 stitch and do at the following stitch. Okay, skip 1, stop it right here. We're going to slip stitch, chain 1, 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch, 1 double crochet, and 1 half double crochet. So far, this is how it looks like. Now go ahead and finish up, make total of 10 petals. Okay, so far I made 9 petals. Now I'm going to do the last petal, number 10. Okay, now once you've done your last petal, you should have one stitch left right here. We're going to skip that stitch and we're going to slip stitch right here at the first petal. Just here. Okay, chain 1 to secure stitches, and you're going to cut the yarn. This is how it looks like. You're going to weave in all the ends. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any question, leave your question at the comment section down below. I will try my very best to reply. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share this video with your fellow crochet fans. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Click on the bell notification. That way you'll be notified every time when I upload a video. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. God bless and bye.